Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about how to install the latest Netbeans version Netbeans 16 in Windows operating system, and in addition we're also going to see how to configure Apache Tomcat Server with Netbeans and execute a web project. So now let us go into the video. So here first we'll be seeing the installing the JDK and setting up the path, installing the Netbeans, executing a sample program, and final is the execute a web application project by configuring the Apache Tomcat Server. So for the beginners level you can do for this, and for the advanced level you can go for the fifth point. So now let us go for the first one, that is installing the JDK. So before installing, first let us check whether Java is already installed or not and what is the version of it. So for that you need to use the command java space hyphen version and click enter, and so you can see which is the version you have installed. If it is a new system, if you're not already installed, you'll not be getting any result. So if you are already installed, so here you can see I have already installed Java, and you can see the version of the Java, that is JDK, is 11.09. so that was already installed in it. So first thing is like you need to download the required software. So for the official website you can just go to the Google and type JDK 17 download, and you can find the official link where you can download the JDK for the all the operating system like Linux, Mac and Windows. And now we are going to see this for Windows, and which is Windows 64 installer, and you need to download this one, which comes around 153.22 MB. And what I'm going to do is like in future there may be different kinds of versions will be coming, and they will be removing this link. So for easier for purpose, I'm going to give a media file link where you can download all this software which I'm going to say in a single link. So whichever people who wanted to download from official website, they can download from this, or you can download from the link that is given in the description, that is media file link. And you can see I have already downloaded that is JDK 17. so just double click it to install it. Now the Windows installer is preparing. So now you can see the screen, welcome to installation wizard of Java SE development kit 17.06. just click this next button, and here you can see the JDK location. I'm not going to change anything, so I'm going to just leave this default location to install and click next. And now you can see the Java SE development kit successfully installed message, and the time taken for this will be varying according to your system configuration. And now let me click this close button, and now just go to your command prompt, and now just type the same thing that we have did earlier, that is java space hyphen and version, and click enter. And now you can see the version that we have installed as Java 17.06 is been updated, and the date of it is been also given here. So this earlier was Java 11, and now you can see that is been updated, and now it is known that Java is JDK is installed. So the first thing is completed. Now let us come to the next part, that is setting up the JDK path. So you need to set the Java path file. So for that, go to your my computer and go to C and go to program files and go to Java, and you can see what all the version that is available here. So here you can see the latest one with the date of it, JDK 17. just go into the and go to the bin folder. Now you can go to the address bar and just copy this complete location, that is C program file Java JDK 17/bin. Now you need to set the path. So for setting up the path, just type to your search bar and type environmental variables, where you can see edit the environmental variables. So just click this. Here you can see this environment variables. Just click this, where you can find the user variables and system variables. So in the system variables, you just check for the variable called path. So here you can find it. So just click this edit, and here you can see various things. No, don't change anything. So just enter a new one here by pasting the location. That's all. So whatever the location that we have copied from the JDK, just paste it in the new one. Don't change anything here or delete it. So just paste the location that we have done and click OK. Don't forget to click OK, and then again you need to click this OK. Now you can close this environment. So now the path has been also set. So the second one also completed. Now you need to install the Netbeans. So already I have given the media file link where you have downloaded the Netbeans, or if you wanted to go to the official website, where you can go to the official website to download Netbeans download. So where you can find the website netbeans.apache.org is the official website where you can find the latest version, that is Apache Netbeans 16, and you can download it. And as I have given you the link already and you have downloaded that, so this is the Apache Netbeans 16 bin Windows x64, which is around 437 MB. So just double click it to install the Netbeans 16 version. Now it will be asking to allow this app, so just allow to make changes, click yes, and you can find the installer is configuring for the installing Apache Netbeans. So here you can see it will be asking for the runtime whichever you wanted. So if you wanted to customize it, you can customize by clicking the customize button, and you can select whichever you wanted. So I don't have enough space in my PC, so I'm just unchecking this PHP because I'm not going to use PHP in my system. So these three are very basic for the Java, that is base IDE, Java SE and Java W, that should be checked. Other two is optional. If you wanted, you can do it. I am just unchecking PHP and click OK, and now you can see the installation size is somewhat reduced. Now you can click next, or you can leave the default also, whichever is convenient to you can do it. So I'm just clicking the next option now, and now it will be asking to agree for the license agreement. So just click this checkbox, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click next. And now you can see the location where the files are going to install, that is C program files Netbeans, and here you can see the JDK version. So this is the latest version, so it has been taking the JDK version 17. So if you wanted to change to configure some other version, you can browse and also you can select it. I'm not going to do anything, so I'm going to just leave as default and then click the next option. So here you can check the check button for updates. I don't want this one, so I'm just unchecking it and then click install. So now the installation process has been started. The time taken for this, it varies according to the system configuration. And now you can see the setup complete message. So the installation was completed successfully, and now you can click this finish button. So now we have install the Netbeans. Now let us execute a sample program. So just go to your home page where you can see this Apache Netbeans IDE. So just double click it to open it. So it is asking that to import I already have the older version, so if you wanted to import that, so if you don't have any other older version, it will not be asking. So let me click no. So now you can see the Netbeans IDE 16 is being open. So where you can see different options like Java with Maven, Java with Gradle, Java with and. So just select this Java with and in the project part you can see Java application. Select this option and click next. Now it will be asking for the project name, so just you can give default one or you can name whatever you want. I'm giving JP sample project, and then let me click finish. And now you can see with the same name it has been created, JP sample project, and in here you can see the JP sample project.java file where you can give some commands and check it out. Let me give system.out.println welcome to JP Infotech, and now let me click this run button, or you can click right click it and click run file also, whichever is convenient. You can give it. Sorry, I have not given this colon, so it was showing some error, and just right click it and click run file, and now you can see the system.out.println message that is welcome to JP Infotech is being printed successfully. And this is about the running the sample program. And now coming to the final part of the video, that is how to execute a web project by configuring the Apache Tomcat server. The first thing is like you need to configure the Apache Tomcat server. So download the Tomcat server. You can just download from the official website, that is tomcatapache.org, where you can see the various Tomcat versions. I'm using Tomcat 9, so just click this 9.0 and where you can find the links of it. So I'm here, you can see the binary distribution where you can see 64-bit Windows. Just click it and you can download it. I'm going to give you the link in the Netbeans where you can download and keep it ready, because you need to change the configuration where in the Tomcat servers you need to Tomcat users where you need to change the roles. I have already done it and kept it ready, so you can just use this file. And the thing is like, first thing you just copy this Apache Tomcat 9.071 and you need to paste it in location. I'm going to paste it in the C program file. So just I have pasted this Apache Tomcat 9.071 in C program file, so not in the program file, C location. So just this is the location of the pasted location. Now you need to open the Apache Netbeans 16. Now go to the tools option, just select this server option. So here you can just see there is no servers available right now. So first click this add server option. So once if you click this add server, you can see the list of servers. So just select this Apache Tomcat or Tom EE and then click next, and now it will be asking for the server location. Now you need to go to the location that we have pasted now. So just go to the C and select this Apache Tomcat 9.071 and then click open. So now the next step is you need to enter the username and password. I am giving the username and password as admin and then click finish. And now you can see the server has been added right now, and click close. Now here in the Apache Netbeans, in the projects, files and services, you can find the services part, where if you click that you can see the list where database, web service and server is available in third part. Just click this servers where you can find Apache Tomcat or Tommy is added. So now it is not started, it is, you need to start this Apache Tomcat. So just right click it and click start. So you can see the loading symbol, and if you find the starting of Tomcat file, click OK and right click again and then click start. So kindly wait, this loading symbol should be changed to play symbol, then only that Apache Tomcat will be ready. And it is asking for the authentication required. So now you need to enter the username and password which we have given, that is admin and click OK. And now you can see the Apache Tomcat is started. You can see the play button has been changed. So now the Apache Tomcat is ready. Now you need to open a project which is already available with you. Just go to file, open project. So I'm not giving this source code location in the description, so just don't ask me where is the location. Only if you are having the source code with you, you can just execute this part. So I'm just going to a project which is already available with me. So just you can see a globe symbol here. So only if this showing this globe symbol, that is a web-based Apache Tomcat project. So just select this and click open project, and kindly wait till the complete project is being loaded. You can see the progress here in the down of the Netbeans IDE. So kindly wait till it has been completed to the 100%. So once only after completing 100%, you need to right click this proxy re-encryption and then click this run button. And now you can see it is success, but it is opening in the Internet Explorer. Now we need to change this browser, so just I'm closing this and again go to tools option, go to options part, where you can see the web browser, the general tab. So just select the option whichever you wanted. I am selecting the Chrome and then click apply and then OK. So now let me run it again by clicking right click and click select the run option. And now you can see the project is being opened in the Chrome part and the project is been successfully executed. So in this way you can just run a web application project in the Netbeans. So these are the parts that we have seen right now, that is installing JDK and setting up the JDK path, installing Netbeans and executing a sample program, and we have configured the Tomcat server and executed a web application project successfully in Netbeans 16 tutorial. And this is all about the configuring and working on the Netbeans 16 tutorial, and let us see you in some other video. Thank you for watching.